Place the energizing disc on your heart chakra and be aware of your breath. Just close your eyes. Don't worry about anything. Just follow my voice for the next few minutes. I want you to breathe in to a gentle count of 5 and breathe out to a gentle count of 6. I will do this with you for the first few times. Then just keep focusing on your breathing throughout this guided meditation. Don't use your mind too much because you should really be inside your body at this point. So, breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and repeat. And now, as you focus on your breathing, I want you to pay attention to how you feel inside your body. Just do a little scan. Don't worry too much about it. Just scan up from your toes to your feet, your ankles and your calves, your knees and your thighs. Just be aware of any tension you might be holding, any discomfort or any pain. Just be aware of it as you scan upwards throughout the torso, up to the chest, up the back to the neck, across the shoulders, down the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, and fingers. Now continue up the neck and into the head to the very top. How are you feeling? At this point, don't worry about anything that you feel. Just be aware of it and continue to breathe. Oh, it feels so good to relax. You feel so good. Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and continue. Now I want you to do another scan of the body. I want you to start from the very top of your head and work your way down. Again, just being aware of any tensions that you could just let go of. Don't worry about it. Whatever parts of your body might not be feeling 100%, just be aware of them. Don't judge it. Don't try to make it go away. Just be aware and continue to breathe. Oh, I feel so good. And now I want you to pay attention to your legs and your feet. And imagine roots growing down from the bottom of your feet, down to the ground, penetrating the earth's crust, and working their way down through crystals and rock and gravel and dirt. Smell the fresh earth. Don't you love that earthy smell? And continue to penetrate the earth with your roots, traveling down down, down to the earth's core, and gently wrap them around the core, gently cradling the earth's beautiful crystalline core. And now draw up from that core beautiful sparkling golden energy. Draw it up through the earth, up through the magma and the lava. Ooh, it's so warm down there. Up through the earth, the rocks and the crystals, back up through the gravel and through that fresh earth, up into the bottom of the feet. And now you can feel that beautiful golden energy that's being drawn up. It enters the feet, the toes, the feet, the ankles. It flows up the lower legs, through the knees and up the thighs. It flows up the torso, up past the stomach, up the back to the neck, and up the chest to the neck. It's flowing across the shoulders and down the upper arms, through the elbows, through the lower arms, wrist, hands, fingers. Feel the fingers, they just tingle a little bit as your body fills up with this beautiful molten golden energy, sparkling and clean and fresh. And now it's flowing up your neck, up your face and the back of your head and the sides, and it's just flowing right up to the very top of your head, even to the point where it's starting to leak out a little bit of your hair follicles. And as this energy pulls within the body, it's swirling and pulling, especially under the little orgone disc on your chest. And it's filling up your heart chakra with this beautiful, beautiful flowing energy. Just continue to breathe as you feel this beautiful, pooling, flowing, swirling energy. Oh, it feels so good to relax and to be full of the earth's beautiful energy. Now, draw your attention to your hair and imagine it standing straight up on the top of your head. And imagine those hairs flowing up to the chakra that rests about a foot above your head. And from there it's branching out to all the little stars and planets in our galaxy. Those little hairs are just flowing out through the solar system, out through the asteroid belt, and out into the beautiful, beautiful galaxy. And there are billions of little points of light, and every hair just connects and branches off to all those beautiful points of light. And now we're going to bring down from the heavens and from the galaxy a beautiful sparkling silver light, and it travels from the different suns and points of light down the hair follicles to that chakra that rides above our heads. And as that fills, it forms just one big river that flows down to the top of the head, filling the head with that beautiful sparkling silver energy. It's now running down the neck, across the shoulders, down the upper arms, through the elbows, down the forearms, through the wrist, into the hands, and filling up every finger. It's also flowing down the torso, down the chest and back and the inside. Continue your breathing, nice and relaxed, nice and slow, as your body, your torso fills up with this beautiful sparkling energy. And it's now mixing and combining with all the golden energy, and it swirls around each other and just fills you up so completely. And it flows down past the buttocks and down into the upper thighs and down through the knees and down through the lower legs and the ankles and through the feet and fills up every little toe on the bottoms of your feet. Take a deep breath and feel all this beautiful, sparkling, flowing, moving, dynamic energy as we continue to pool it in the heart chakra under the little organite disc. It's interacting with the crystals in the disc. It's building up in its power and its momentum. And you're filling up so completely that it starts to leak out every pore of your body and fills up the beautiful big sphere that surrounds us. This is our Taurus energy field being generated by the heart. And as it fills up and it surrounds the area around us, it intensifies in brightness. It's glowing so brightly. It's a good thing we've got our eyes closed because it's very, very bright and so beautiful. Oh, it feels so good. Now take a deep breath in and exhale, cleansing breath. And now we're going to relax, relax, relax our whole body. So relaxed, we're almost falling asleep. And now, with your imagination or your mind's eye, I want you to scan the body. Is there anything that feels like it doesn't really belong? Is there any energies that are concentrated in the pineal gland, in the center of our brain, or in the thyroid, or along the neck, or in the chest, in your lungs? Is there anything that feels a little bit just not quite right within the torso, the stomach and the digestive areas? Is there anything that just doesn't feel quite right? Because now you can become aware of it for perhaps the first time in your life, and you can give it permission to leave. Anything that feels not 100% you, anything that doesn't resonate with love, the harmonic of the universal consciousness, the bright light that's filled you up and emitting outside of your body is just dissolving anything that isn't there for your highest good and for your highest potential. Everything that's burning up and disappearing, everything that's not you, because only the authentic you is real. Nothing can touch the authentic you. Nothing can match the power of your love, and nothing can withstand the power of the earth when it's connected to the galaxy and to all those beautiful points of light. Nothing can stand up to that. Everything that's not you, that's not to your highest good, is simply dissolving and fading away. Fading away. Fading away. Now just rest in that beautiful, relaxed comfort and appreciate how much you are loved and how important you are, and that you've got a reason for being here on this planet at this time, that you've got a right to stand tall with every other being on this planet, and that you have a right to love and to peace and to abundance. And anything that might be holding you back is gone now, dissolved, gone. Now imagine you're holding a beautiful, ripe little dandelion by the stem. And it has all those little seeds with the little umbrellas ready to go off into the universe. Take a deep breath, and with me, blow on your dandelion. Blow all those little bits. Blow them. And as they go out, they are taking your love and your beautiful, unique energy signature out into the universe. You are well recognized by angels. You are well recognized by other beings. And you are well on your way to a beautiful, successful life. And now, as our meditation starts to come to an end, you have some choices to make. You could just stay in this beautiful, relaxed state, not worry about anything, and just enjoy it until you've had enough. Or you can call back your energies back into your body, your roots and your hairs all back into your body, and you can wake up and feel so refreshed and get on with your daily life. Or you might simply want to keep your eyes closed and just feel your breathing, just feel how relaxed you are, and just go to sleep. And when you wake up, you're going to feel very free and very light and very, very fresh. And as I leave you now, I want to send you all my love, the most powerful force in the universe. Use it to strengthen your immune system, to find happiness and joy, and to discover new ways to bring all kinds of abundance into your life. And as I part from you, remember, I love you very much. You are a very special being, and you reside in my heart now and forever. And with that, I just send blessings and goodness to you today and always.